So here is Sendit Instagram app, and yeah, this is the app which is kind of one of alternatives to NGL. So you can just go and get it on App Store. Yeah, if you just search for Sendit EG. So not not like Sendit Get It Now, but Sendit Q&A on Instagram. So that's like a separate app where you can use Sendit to create your Instagram link and get anonymous messages from Instagram story. So that's how it works. Share your Sendit link, friends answer right on your story, get responses on Sendit. It's a new way to experience the best parts of Sendit on Instagram. Share out your Sendit and reveal your messages as come in. So something like that. Just open the app, copy link, then tap share. Use these instructions how to open Instagram story and use the link template, and then you can just record something like that. Then you can just tap to paste and then just search for link, and then yeah, you can include link sticker and then just paste your link and tap done. Move this to the bottom and it should work something like that. So that's the idea, and then you can share it to your story or share it to close friends. So that's the idea. Hope this is helpful. Yep. And then yeah, you can just do that. And then you will see messages here in this menu. If you think that some messages are not good, you can tap in top right and report them. You can also rate them. Okay, no, this is just right in the app. And then you can also answer them in Instagram. So you can tap to record like an answer in Instagram. So this app is pretty similar to NGL. Not gonna lie, another viral app, but not gonna lie, originally I think stolen some of the ideas from Sendit app, but Sendit app was only for Snapchat. Now they have it for Instagram. There was some like court battles around this. I don't know the details, but that's that. Yeah, also be aware that some of these messages are generated by bots. It was also revealed by TechCrunch that not all of these messages are original. Yeah, some of them are actually fake. It's just generated by bots, so that's what it is. And yeah, so that's the idea. That's basically how it works. In top right, you can just click on settings, gear icon. You can set your name. You can see your Sendits. Yeah, and this is a separate app because there is original app of Sendit for Snapchat. That app went viral. It had like, more than 600,000 reviews on the App Store, ratings. So, but now this is just a separate app, which is called Sendit Q&A on Instagram. So that's the idea. Hope this is helpful and thank you for watching. Enjoy this app.